What if I told you that ordinary people are turning small corners of their homes into income-producing mini factories? And some of these setups can quietly earn more than many full-time jobs. No giant warehouse, no staff, just one smart machine, a table, and the motivation to create something valuable. In this video, I will show you machines so surprising that most people have never seen them in action. One of them, number 20, can print stunning graphics onto shirts with a level of detail that feels unreal, while another machine on this list can fuse glass into artwork that sells for premium prices. These are real opportunities, and they are already helping people build home businesses that run with simple tools and consistent demand. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "send me" and I'll share the complete list with you. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual effort, skills, and market conditions. Number 20. Screen printing operations. This machine remains one of the strongest small-scale manufacturing opportunities because they create bold, long-lasting prints that customers love. With screens, squeegees, curing equipment, and quality inks, you can produce custom apparel, event merchandise, art prints, and brand items for local businesses. Demand stays high year-round because schools, sports teams, small brands, and event organizers constantly need fresh designs in small batches. This business becomes profitable because material costs stay low, while customers happily pay for quality prints with vibrant colors and durability. You can enter this market by offering small order runs and fast turnaround services that big print shops usually ignore. Number 19. Glass Fusing Studio. This machine transforms pieces of colored glass into premium jewelry, decorative plates, sun catchers, and art tiles using a high-temperature electric kiln. People are drawn to fused glass because every piece is unique, and handmade art continues to sell strongly at craft fairs, online shops, and local galleries. This market is wide open for beginners because customers look for originality more than mass production. The business becomes profitable because small pieces of art glass can sell far above the cost of materials. Start by learning basic cutting techniques, then create seasonal collections or custom pieces for gifts and home decor lovers. Number 18. Organic Pet Treat Manufacturing. This machine gives you the ability to create healthy dog biscuits, dehydrated meat treats, and natural snack mixes for pet parents who want cleaner ingredients. With simple tools like food dehydrators, ovens, mixers, and airtight packaging, you can produce high-quality treats from wholesome foods such as oat flour, peanut butter, and pumpkin. The demand keeps rising because owners want safe options without artificial additives. This becomes profitable because premium packaging and clean labels allow small producers to charge higher prices. Enter the market through farmers markets, local pet shops, or online platforms where pet owners actively search for healthier alternatives. Number 17. Planter Manufacturing. This machine lets you create wooden planters, concrete pots, and decorative plant holders using simple woodworking tools, cement molds, or upcycled materials. With millions of households investing in indoor and outdoor plants, stylish planter designs stay in constant demand. Consumers love options that match modern, rustic, or eco-friendly aesthetics. This business becomes profitable because unique planters sell for strong margins, especially when combined with handcrafted finishes or custom shapes. Entering the market is simple. Start with small batches, refine your designs, then sell through local plant shops, craft fairs, or online marketplaces, where handmade planter styles consistently perform well. If you are enjoying our ideas, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. We're aiming to reach 50,000 subscribers, and your support means everything to us. Let's back to the video. Number 16. Ultrasonic Welding Assembly. This machine uses high-frequency vibrations to bond plastics and non-woven materials instantly, creating precise and reliable seals. With a benchtop ultrasonic welder and proper fixtures, you can produce plastic enclosures, sealed fabric components, protective casings, and electronics housings. This service is in demand because many inventors and small manufacturers need short-run production without spending on large industrial equipment. It becomes profitable because ultrasonic welding is specialized, clean, and fast, allowing you to charge premium rates for small batch jobs. You can enter this market by offering assembly services to product developers, labs, and local businesses needing airtight or waterproof parts. Number 15. Ceramic 3D Printing Services. This machine combined modern technology with traditional craft by using a clay-based 3D printer to produce custom vases, architectural tiles, unique dinnerware, and artistic sculptures. People love this because it creates shapes that are nearly impossible to form by hand. After printing, pieces are dried slowly, then fired in a kiln for final strength. The demand is growing fast among designers, interior decorators, and customers seeking personalized ceramics. This becomes profitable because custom ceramic pieces command higher prices than standard pottery. You can enter the market by offering made-to-order designs for artists, architects, and homeowners who want exclusive pieces. Stay with me, because one of the next machines can quietly turn a tiny workspace into a highly profitable setup. Number 14. Custom label manufacturing. This machine helps small businesses, event planners, and handmade product sellers create professional labels, waterproof stickers, and custom-shaped branding materials. With high-resolution printers, quality label sheets, design software, and optional vinyl cutting tools, you can supply labels that big print shops overlook. The demand is constant because makers need packaging labels for candles, foods, cosmetics, jars, and event favors. This business becomes profitable because labels have low material costs and clients regularly reorder as they restock their products. Entering the market is simple. Start by offering small quantity batches and fast delivery for local businesses that need reliable branding support. Number 13. Premium candle manufacturing. This machine lets you create scented candles, luxury jar candles, and custom-themed collections using wax melters, quality molds, wicks, and premium fragrances. Candles remain in demand all year because people buy them for home decor, relaxation, and gifting. The business becomes profitable because unique fragrances and attractive packaging allow you to charge higher prices, especially for handmade blends. You can enter this market by focusing on scent profiles that tell a story, then selling your collections to local boutiques, online marketplaces, and craft events where customers look for handcrafted home fragrances. Number 12. Injection molding small parts. This machine allows you to create custom plastic components, replacement parts, clips, knobs, and functional prototypes using a compact tabletop injection molding machine. Combine this with 3D printing to make your molds, and you can produce small batches with professional quality. This service is in demand because inventors and hobbyists often need durable molded parts instead of single-use 3D prints. The business becomes profitable because molded parts have low material costs and clients pay for precision and quick turnaround. You can enter this market by offering short runs for local makers who cannot access large industrial factories. If you are finding these machines helpful, make sure you like this video and tell me in the comments which machine surprised you the most. Your support helps me bring you more profitable ideas. Number 11. Sock manufacturing. This machine lets you create personalized socks, novelty patterns, and custom face or pet-themed designs using sublimation printing or compact circular knitting machines. Socks with fun graphics continue to trend online because they make great gifts and impulse purchases. This business becomes profitable because unique designs sell at premium prices, while blank polyester socks and sublimation materials stay inexpensive. You can enter the market by offering limited edition designs, themed collections, or personalized face socks for birthdays, sports teams, and special events. Selling through online stores gives you access to a global audience that loves bold and playful socks. Number 10. Thermoforming packaging solutions. This machine allows you to create blister packs, protective trays, and custom product shells using a tabletop vacuum forming machine. Small businesses constantly need packaging that fits their products perfectly, yet large manufacturers usually ignore smaller orders. The demand is especially strong among electronics makers, beauty brands, and handmade product sellers. This business becomes profitable because thermoplastic sheets are affordable while custom packaging commands higher prices. You can enter the market by creating molds using 3D printing or wood carving, then offering short-run packaging solutions for companies that need professional results without massive order minimums. Keep watching. The next machine is the kind most creators have never seen, yet it sells every single day. Number 9. Traditional pottery workshop. This machine gives you the ability to create hand-thrown mugs, bowls, plates, planters, and decorative pieces using a potter's wheel, kiln, and clay supplies. Handmade pottery has never lost popularity because people value items made with craftsmanship and character. This business becomes profitable because unique pieces and small batch collections often sell for premium prices, especially when paired with food-safe glazes and artistic finishes. You can enter this market by producing small collections, selling at craft fairs, partnering with local shops, or offering custom sets for weddings, home decor, and gifting. Number 8. Snack dehydrator manufacturing. This machine lets you produce dried fruits, vegetable chips, herbal blends, and healthy snack mixes using food dehydrators and quality produce. Consumers continue to shift toward cleaner snacks without preservatives, making this a fast-growing category. This becomes profitable because simple ingredients like apples, mangoes, and vegetables transform into higher-value packaged snacks. You can enter the market by sourcing fresh produce from local farms, creating unique flavor combinations, and packaging your snacks in moisture-proof bags. Many states allow this type of production under cottage food laws, making it easier to start from home. Number 7. Custom phone case manufacturing. This machine lets you create personalized cases, photo cases, school logo designs, and profession-themed artwork using sublimation printers or UV printing machines. The phone accessories market remains massive because new models are released every year, keeping demand high. This business becomes profitable because blank cases are inexpensive while custom printed designs sell for strong margins, especially when they feature personal photos or niche themes. You can enter this market by targeting local groups, viral trends, small businesses, or unique communities that want custom designs they cannot find anywhere else. Number 6. Metal spinning workshop. This machine transforms flat metal discs into bowls, lampshades, custom industrial parts, and decorative home items using a spinning lathe and forming tools. This craft is valuable because it creates shapes that cannot be stamped or molded affordably in small quantities. Demand comes from lighting designers, custom automotive builders, and homeowners who want unique handcrafted metal pieces. The business becomes profitable because spun metal carries high perceived value, while raw aluminum, brass, and copper remain affordable. You can enter this market by producing small batches or offering custom shaping for designers who need precise metal forms. Number 5. 3D printing services. This machine gives you the ability to produce custom prototypes, replacement parts, figurines, and functional components using a reliable FDM or resin printer. This field keeps growing as more people need fast and accurate printed parts without buying their own machines. Demand comes from inventors, hobbyists, small businesses, and product developers. This business becomes profitable because printing materials are inexpensive, while clients pay for precision, time savings, and unique shapes. You can enter the market by offering design assistance, multi-printer setups, and fast turnaround for customers who need short-run production and prototype support. Number 4. Eco-friendly bag production. This machine allows you to make reusable tote bags, custom printed shopping bags, and branded fabric bags using industrial sewing machines and sustainable materials like organic cotton or recycled polyester. As plastic bag bans spread across cities, demand for durable, reusable bags continues to climb. This becomes profitable because businesses and consumers pay more for sustainable options that reduce waste. You can enter this market by offering bags with custom prints or business logos, supplying local stores, or selling themed designs online. Simple patterns make production easy, while strong branding boosts long-term sales. Number 3. Spice grinding operations. This machine lets you produce fresh ground spices, signature blends, and specialty seasoning mixes using heavy-duty grinders, sifters, and airtight containers. Customers love freshly ground spices because the aroma and flavor are far superior to store-bought options. Demand stays high among home cooks, restaurants, and farmers market shoppers looking for authentic tastes. This becomes profitable because whole spices purchased in bulk convert into high-value blends that sell for premium prices. You can enter the market by creating your own curry mixes, barbecue rubs, or cultural blends that represent flavors missing in your local area. Number 2. Custom t-shirt printing. This machine uses dye sublimation, direct-to-garment, or heat press methods to make event shirts, branded apparel, and niche designs. Demand is steady from schools, teams, events, and online stores that want unique apparel in small runs. Entry can be as simple as a heat press and printer or a Pro DTG printer. The business becomes profitable by focusing on niche markets, offering fast turnarounds, and selling limited edition drops that build demand. Add-ons like custom tags, premium inks, and quality blanks increase perceived value and customer loyalty. Number 1. Quilting machine services. This machine allows you to finish quilt tops, memory quilts, custom stitched designs, and full-sized blankets using a long-arm quilting machine. Millions of hobby quilters create quilt tops, but lack the equipment or time to finish them professionally. This creates consistent demand for skilled quilting services. The business becomes profitable because each quilt represents a high-value project with low material cost on your side. You can enter this market by partnering with fabric stores, quilting clubs, and online groups where quilters look for reliable finishing services that deliver beautiful stitching patterns and fast turnaround. Now you have seen machines that look simple on the outside yet create real opportunities for anyone willing to start small and grow with consistency. Each machine on this list has the power to turn a garage, a spare room, or even a small corner of your home into a profitable setup, all without complex skills. The best part is that these machines create products people already buy every single day, which means the demand is already in place. If you want the full list with costs, profits, and business ideas for each machine, let me know in the comments or write breakdown in comments, and I will make a dedicated breakdown. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss new business ideas that can help you grow. Share this video with someone who wants to start earning and let us build successful businesses together. See you in the next one.